Okay, so today I'm taking a look at the Huanuov interactive counterbalance flat screen desk mount dual monitor stand. So the tag says stored energy hazard. So this is a thing where if you just cut these, it's going to spring out and it could smash into something that you don't want it to. So let's be careful. Okay. All right, so nice and firm. That's good. That means that the monitor is going to stay in place where you put it. So you've got two mounting plates. This is a through hole desk mount, so if you want to drill a hole through the table, and then you could use this to clamp it down. So that's really good if you want a permanent solution, or if you already have a hole in your table. This is probably the best way to go. And then we have this, which is a regular spin-on clamp mount. So non-destructive, always good. And then we've got all the mounting hardware. And there's not really a lot. There's not really a lot needed. You can see this is how you adjust it. Clockwise reduces tension and counterclockwise increases tension. So if you find that your monitor is just springing up and it won't come down, so you can take this Allen that came with it and spin it to reduce the tension. And it also has markings on here, minus and plus. So if you don't want to read this, this makes it a little bit more simple. So clockwise reduces tension, counterclockwise increases tension. So if the monitor is falling, you increase the tension, the monitor will come up. So we've got three holes. This is going to line up with the bracket. And we'll take the bolts from this bag. So we got a round head and a flanged head, so we use the flanged head for this. And we use the smaller Allen to fit these in. And there's three holes, so depending on how deep your desk is, if you need to, you can install it like this or like this. My desk is under 2 inches thick, so I'm going to be using the shallower size. So not a lot to that. So now I'm just going to loosen this thumb screw up just until it'll fit underneath the desk. There we go. And then tighten it up. So I can put plenty of pressure on there without it being a problem. So we've got panning adjustments. And we've got back and forth, up and down, and tilt. And the monitor brackets, these are pretty standard brackets. So these will ride over the mount, and then you can screw it on at the top. So that way you can attach this to the monitor first, and then you can take the whole monitor and set it on here. And it'll stay just like that until you screw this in. Now we've got these little thumb screws to lock that down. I like that you can rotate it back quite a ways. Basically the only thing that's stopping this from doing a full 360 is that this arm will hit this arm. But some arms you can only go back a certain amount and then it stops. So this one has free motion. Very good stuff. And it has channels underneath for routing cable. And this uses a regular old Phillips, so you can use tools that you already have. But it does come with a Phillips on the end of this. And then the bottom just kind of clips out. So you can hang your TV, route your cables through this track, and then it'll be nice and out of the way. You won't have to worry about having everything dangling around or getting tangled on the arm anytime you want to move it. Yeah, so a nice heavy duty mount for two monitors.